Hi everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. One of our students got placed recently. He'll share his experience.
Good morning. I'm Mohanraj from Tamil Nadu, 25 postdoc, and my degree holder in B.TECH Information Technology, which is presented in Tamil Nadu Global Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is affiliated with Anna University Chennai. When I was in final year, I had to join in PySpiders because of my college credits. Once I joined in, I chose that Python full stack testing with the data analysis. When I joined here, I had training from Keshav sir for Python and SQL for Murali sir. Both are very experienced guys, so I had a lot of experience from them because last 4 years I didn't expect like that. Compare than my college, here each and everything is very good. The first time I attended the boot camp and the screening. This is very useful to improve my communication as well as it removes the stage fear also. In the starting, I'm really struggling to speak any people in front of them. But when I trained in there, I got a really good experience, and now I didn't struggle anywhere to speak anything to about my um, experience also or any technical skills also. I can easily express them. That's what I done.
Very good. Congratulations.